So this kind of sucks for these guys. They're up here visiting family for Christmas, and someone on the interstate lost control and hit them not once, but twice. Look at this. The blind spot monitor sensor is all smashed up. A lot of damage here to the quarter area under here. This is the side marker assembly, which is non-existent. See the damage is all right here on this end. Look at that. Push that in, that's usually rounded, but that's like that, so that's cool. Now, here's the bummer part. So, the steering wheel is like mostly straight, but as you can see, there's some camber and toe going on here at the front wheel. Big gap there at the fender. It's all wrinkled and creased all along the top of the fender. The hood gap is kind of wonky. The fender sticks up. And of course, they didn't spare the headlight at all. Headlight's all loose. And it's broken back in behind there. Yeah, the suspension damage is kind of a shame. The wheel should normally be like this, and it's towed in, and the camber at the top of the wheel is pushed in too. And to kind of give you an idea, I'll show you how the right side should look. Again, the wheel's like straight. Steering wheel is. So it's good there. Not so good over here. To kind of give you an idea, even though the bumper is pushed out a bit, if you look down, you can see it's pointed to the right and cambered in at the top. So yeah, that sucks. Merry Christmas. You're going to have an insurance headache. Oh yeah, bumpers, little sonar sensors down here in the bumper. Yeah, they did a number on this thing. It's a shame. So yeah, just a quick little crashed car video, I suppose. Take care.